Video is changing, and it's not as easy to get the attention anymore as more and more videos are being created, just like this one. But it's important that your videos have a massive impact, they look professional, they hook the viewer into the story, and they hold their interest. This is obviously not something that anyone can do at the drop of the hat when going live or recording that spur-of-the-moment selfie video. And I'm sure you'd agree that most of us can blurb out a solid opening line to try and hook the viewers. But without a prepared script to carry the story through quickly, we end up stumbling or stuttering our way through unprepared, unscripted, and frankly, we look like bumbling idiots. And that is if we remember what it is we were recording in the first place. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely, coming to you from my beautiful home here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, I'm sure that you can relate to what it is I am saying. So what's the solution? Well, over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to take your mobile device and use an incredibly low-cost solution and create highly engaging, amazing content, even if you've never created a single video in your life. Now, hopefully, I don't get eaten by the dog behind me, but you never know what happens with a live video, right? But see, here's the best part about what I'm talking about. You see, I'm going to show you how you can do all of this without any expensive equipment, no technical skills needed. You don't have to have green screen videos. You don't have to have microphones. You don't have to have a $3,500 camera like this bad boy right here. Instead, everything you need is right there in the palm of your hands. You just need to have a mobile device. Now, what is the secret? How am I able to create videos just like this with the full script and everything? Well, I'm using a brand new app called Extempore. Now, Extempore is just that. It's a brand new mobile app that allows you to create highly engaging and profitable videos in record time. And it replaces the need for any type of expensive studio equipment. Because you see, all you need is a smartphone or a tablet, and that's it. And with Extempore, you're able to create highly engaging videos just like this one that you could use on YouTube and monetize in 5 minutes or less. And it's not a secret that both your audience as well as YouTube absolutely loves these videos. And all you have to do is follow a simple 3-step process. I'm going to give you those steps right now. You ready for this? Step number 1, you're going to open up the app and load your content. Step number 2, you're going to record the video with the Extempore app. And step number 3, you're going to instantly share it on social media with a push of a button. Now, Extempore is a powerful, easy-to-use mobile app that will allow you to create any type of video message. Matter of fact, right now, I'm shooting a sales video. So sure, you can do sales videos, you can do VSLs, you can do content for your audience, or maybe you just want to send your special loved one a little message. Regardless, whatever your goal, the result will be a beautiful, flawless video that you can absolutely be proud of. And you'll never be lost for words again. You just type out your script, and using our easy-to-use web interface, you just add some notes. And yes, you heard that right. We actually have a web interface, and that's something that you're really going to appreciate, especially if you've ever used any kind of teleprompter software before. Now, you've got a fully fledged video recording studio right there inside your mobile device. Now, that's only scratching the surface of what an Extempore can do for you, as you'll see in a minute. I'm about to demonstrate that. But you have to understand it is truly powerful, yet easy to operate, regardless of age or experience. Matter of fact, my daughter is 14 years old, and she absolutely loves this app. So with Extempore, you just follow a few basic instructions, and you're good to go. And here's how easy it is to use. You're going to download it and install it on your mobile device. So right now, I am using an iPad, but I could be using my Android phone. I was doing that earlier, right? Then you're going to go through and you're going to create a new story from the easy-to-use dashboard. And remember, you can do that from your PC. Next, you're going to click on the Takes tab. And finally, you're going to click record and speak, and bada bing, bada boom, your video is created. And after you're done, you can style your video in a ton of ways so that you stand out to your audience and you look like a freaking rock star. And finally, you can export that same video to YouTube for vlogging or use the share options to your mobile device, just like you would with any other video. You can also manage all your scripts from the cloud version of Extempore as well. Now you'll see full details of what Extempore can do on this page, along with a fully fledged demo video. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll over to my computer and I'm going to show you how you can use the web interface. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some screenshots and show you how it's actually set up on my phone. So you can see how I was able to shoot this video right now. That's about as live as it gets. So if you're ready, guys, let's head over to the computer and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, gang, so check this out. I'm over here on my PC and I'm about to log into the Extempore web version, okay? So this works with the app. Now it's very, very easy, nothing complicated. You see, I have two stories here. If I want to write a new story, I come over here and I click this button and I can write a new story. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the existing story that I created. This is a sales video that you guys just saw. See how it starts out? Video is changing, okay? And so all I do is I write my story, or I can go ahead and copy it from another source. So if you wrote your story in Notepad or Google Doc or whatever you have, you can go ahead and paste it in there, right? And then when you're done, you just come over here, you click on Save Story. It'll tell you how many words you have and the duration. Now, once you do that, the words will then appear on the screen. Okay, very, very simple, nothing complicated. I really respect this because it's pure brilliance, because I work with a lot of teleprompter programs. And how they usually work is you usually have to load it into your Dropbox or you have to load it into Google Drive. And so you have no control. You guys are really going to appreciate the fact that you can do your spacing here. You can fix all your words, like this should be bumbling idiots, right? You can do all that stuff right here on the screen. It's so much easier than having to do it in pad or on your phone. Okay, so once you do that, you click save and then the words appear on your screen. Now what I'm going to do, I don't know how this is going to work out, it's about as real as it gets, but I'm going to go ahead and head over to my app. Okay, so I'm going to show you the Extempore app on my phone, but instead of doing it like this, I'm going to go ahead and try to record the screen. And I want you guys to see what it is I saw when I just recorded that video. I want you to see how easy this really is, because it's not complicated at all. It's going to have you set up in no time at all. Okay, I don't know how that's going to work, because that means I have to use the Extempore app and I'm going to use a third-party app to record the screen. Okay, but we're going to give it our best shot. So I'm going to leave the PC and I'm going to go ahead and start recording the screen now. Okay guys, so check this out. I'm opening up the Extempore app and you can see it's very, very basic. Okay, so I'm going to click on the home button here so that you can see there is a stories tab. And so these are the actual stories that I have. And so if I click into this one here, you can see that I have my script here. And if I click into this one, you can see here's my story for this. This is the one that we're going to use. Then we have this tab over here called takes. And so you can see I have 3 takes here. And then if I had edited in any of my videos, I could come over here and I could do edited videos. So it's very, very easy to use. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm getting ready to shoot a sales video for what you guys are seeing right now. Not quite sure how that's going to work. Hopefully it works great, because I've never had 2 apps running at the same time. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to get the right story. So if I come back over here to stories, you're going to see that this is a script that I just used, right? It started with video is changing. And these words right here, I actually loaded from my computer. I'll show you that here in a minute. So you don't even have to work inside the app. I loaded from my computer. It shows up right here inside the app. Okay, so pretty easy to use. And when I'm ready, I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna click on takes and I'm gonna go ahead and click start your take. Okay, now that I've clicked that, there it is right there. There's the script. There am I. And so this is the actual video that we're going to shoot. I'm going to start outside because I believe that's pretty engaging and it captures people's attention right away. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my phone around this way. And there we go. Okay, and hopefully you guys can see this, but here we go. We're going to go ahead and do a sales video with the Extempore app, because this is something you guys can do as well. And it's raining outside, so let's see how this turns out. Booyah! Pretty awesome, right? So now I'm sure you can see for yourself how Extempore can help you in a number of ways for your business to help you generate more leads and more sales. So you're able to use it for video ads, social media, VSLs, and so much more. However, I do need to warn you that Extempore is being offered for a very limited low time price for a limited time. So when that timer runs out on this page, you'll need to invest more in this amazing, easy to use mobile recording technology. Heck, you may even get stuck paying a monthly fee. But right now, you don't have to pay that monthly fee. So don't delay. Go ahead and see all of what Extempore can do for you right here on this page. And you'll see for yourself how it can help you generate more leads and more sales. And in addition to more leads, more sales, you're also going to get more comments, more likes, more followers, and create a massive viral frenzy for all of your content. And remember, guys, you're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. So click the button below to lock in your copy of Extempore today. It'll be one of the best decisions you'll ever make for your business, hands down. So go ahead and click the button down below for instant access. And on that note, I'll see you on the inside. Take care.